Trusted Signals.
What up, Trusted Signals? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're gonna go over an indicator that is highly underrated, the sniper support and resistance, one of our indicators that works extremely well for sniper entries. So I'm gonna break this down and go over sniper support and resistance. Please do give this video a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the upcoming content. I hope you like this video. Trusted Signals, let's go! Sniper support and resistance with Trusted Signals. Here we have GN pulled up on the 1 minute chart with sniper support and resistance. And the way this works, we have 3 different entry points. The blue lines are going to be your buy entries and the red lines are going to be your sell entries. One of the things that I like to go over is risking only 1% per trade, absolutely crucial to protecting your account, and with a maximum risk of 3% per 3 trades. So here, sniper support and resistance is going to give you 3 different entries where each entry is going to be 1% risk. So for this example, I'm going to go over this buy that just happened. So each one of these lines should equal to 1% risk of your account, with the first one having the most risk out of 3 entries, with the third being the least riskiest of them all. If you would have entered in the first sniper support and resistance as a long, you could have easily secured a good 7 pips right here. You would have had a little drawdown with price hitting the second sniper support and resistance line. So that could have been a second entry. Entering again for a second time right here and having your final take profit at this resistance line, and again having your stop loss under the third support and resistance line right here. This is a great tool to use on the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and even the 15 minute for those sniper entries. Another example right here, having these 3 resistance lines as your entry levels. This would be your first entry, risking 1% of your account, entering short right here, having your stop loss right before the third resistance line, and again a 1-to-1 ratio. And this entry again would have smashed take profit. This indicator is highly underrated. I don't see a lot of people posting about the sniper support and resistance, so I highly suggest for you guys to go over this and implement this in your trading. Let's just go ahead in the 5 minute and show another example. All right, here we are on the 5 minute with the sniper support and resistance still on GN. I want to go over these short opportunities that came in spot on. Right here, risking 1% of your account, entering at the sniper support and resistance short, putting your stop loss right before the third resistance line, and going in for a 1-to-1 ratio. Now that we have our 1-to-1 ratio, you could see that take profit was absolutely smashed, but we did witness a small drawdown. With the sniper support and resistance, using each one of these lines as a entry point and only risking 1%, I would have entered again a second entry here, risking 1% with the same stop loss. Stop loss would have not hit, but the third and final sniper entry did, so I would use this as another entry, and in total having 3 entries. Now on the 15 minutes, still here on GN, we're gonna apply the same rules. We have our 3 entries right here. The first one, we would have gone short at the first sniper resistance line, putting your stop loss before the third sniper resistance or support line, and going in for a final take profit with the opposite entry. So I'm gonna go all the way to the support line and take that as a profit area. We would have seen some drawdown, but our second entry would have hit. So using this as a second entry, risking again 1%, and taking the take profit all the way down to the sniper support buy area. That would have gave you a solid 99 pips on GN, just like that. And when it came to the sniper buy zone, you could have bought here, again risking only 1% of your account, taking it to the opposite resistance line as a take profit, and that would have been good for 62 pips. And again, the resistance line happening right here, you could have entered again on a short using the support line as your final take profit. And what I like to do, instead of putting your take profit exactly at the support or resistance line, I like to give it some pips right before to have a higher probability of taking profit at these areas. That right there would be a perfect short entry for 63 pips. But one of the things that I always say is get used to taking partial profits once you're up 15 to 20 pips, putting your stop loss in profit to protect your account. So in actuality, with taking this short at this sniper entry, I would have probably taking partials right around here, securing my profits, and it would have hit my stop in profit right here, and then going in shorts again and repeating the process. And whenever you're in drawdown, like in the example that I showed you here, just use the sniper support and resistance entries as areas of entry of only risking 1%. I can't stress this enough, you guys. Don't risk 5% per trade. Don't risk 10% per trade, because if you start losing trades, you're gonna lose a significant amount of your account. This is a great way for sniper entries if you only want to use one indicator. I like to use the indicators together. For example, having the bearish divergence together with the sniper support and resistance, and waiting to see both the divergence and also the entry levels of sniper support and resistance. And if you don't know what divergence is and what the bearish divergence is doing, please do watch our previous video where I break down exactly what's happening with the divergence oscillator with trusted signals. Entering at this point with the bearish divergence at the sniper resistance line and having your final take profit at the support sniper entry, you would have been good for 98 pips, guys. The sniper support and resistance, another one of our great tools. I hope this was really easy to understand. If you have any questions about the sniper support and resistance, please do drop a comment and we'll gladly answer them on our next upcoming videos. Well, Trusted Signals, this is all for now. Thank you so much for tuning in. Again, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Share this video with your friends and family who are looking to improve their trading system. So until next time, Trusted Signals, let's go!